There's a temptation to think that construction is mainly about concrete, steel, and schedules. But the people who spend decades in the industry know something different. Buildings rise because thousands of decisions are made correctly before the first wall is framed. Success is rarely created by dramatic moments. More often, it comes from consistency, preparation, and the willingness to solve problems long before anyone else realizes they exist. That idea sits at the center of Terrance Bradford's career. For more than 2 decades in Florida's construction industry, Bradford has worked in an environment where no two projects unfold exactly alike. Every site introduces different conditions, every client brings different expectations, and every timeline is vulnerable to changing weather, labor availability, supply chains, and countless variables outside anyone's control. Yet throughout those changing circumstances, one pattern repeatedly emerges in his approach. While many people focus on construction itself, Bradford continually returns to something even more fundamental: trust. That philosophy did not appear overnight. When Bradford entered construction in 2001, he was attracted by the opportunity to create something tangible. Unlike careers where results remain abstract, construction leaves a permanent mark on communities. Schools, businesses, offices, and homes become part of people's daily lives for decades. Every completed project represents countless hours of planning, coordination, and craftsmanship that most occupants never see. The physical structure is visible. The invisible work behind it is where leadership lives. As Bradford gained experience managing increasingly complex projects, he discovered that technical knowledge alone rarely determines success. Schedules can be perfect on paper, budgets can be carefully calculated, and designs can appear flawless. But projects ultimately depend upon people working together under pressure. Miscommunication, unclear expectations, or overlooked details can quickly outweigh technical expertise. This realization shaped how he approached leadership. Rather than treating communication as an administrative task, Bradford came to view it as one of construction's most valuable tools. Clients need confidence. Subcontractors need clarity. Vendors need coordination. Team members need accountability. Without those elements, even talented professionals begin pulling in different directions. That lesson extends far beyond construction. Many organizations assume trust develops naturally after success. Bradford's experience suggests the opposite. Trust becomes the condition that makes success possible in the first place. It is established through transparency, consistent expectations, and following through on commitments before impressive results ever appear. His educational background reinforced this broader perspective. Earning a bachelor's degree in business and professional management alongside an associate degree in electronic engineering gave him exposure to both strategic thinking and technical problem solving. One discipline emphasized leadership and organizational decision-making. The other demanded precision, systems thinking, and careful analysis. Together, they encouraged a balanced approach where neither people nor processes could be ignored. Over time, Bradford expanded beyond managing projects into entrepreneurship by leading Yele Roof Contracting. Building a company introduced an entirely different set of challenges. Construction expertise alone does not automatically translate into running a successful business. Owners must recruit talent, manage finances, maintain relationships, navigate regulations, and create a culture capable of sustaining quality as the organization grows. One of Bradford's reflections reveals an important turning point. Looking back on an early major commercial project, he acknowledged that operational execution had received so much attention that team alignment suffered. Responsibilities became less clear, communication gaps emerged, and unnecessary stress followed despite the project ultimately reaching completion. It became an expensive lesson, not necessarily financially, but organizationally. The experience changed his leadership philosophy. He concluded that businesses cannot outgrow the people responsible for carrying them forward. Systems matter, strategy matters, but culture often determines whether either one succeeds. Since then, he has emphasized creating environments where employees understand expectations, participate in communication, and recognize how their work contributes to larger goals. This is one of the most overlooked realities of leadership. Companies frequently chase better technology, Better marketing or better operational systems, while assuming healthy culture, will simply emerge alongside growth. Bradford's experience argues otherwise. Healthy organizations are intentionally built through consistent leadership habits rather than occasional motivational speeches. That same mindset appears in how he discusses attention to detail. Construction offers immediate consequences for overlooked details. Small planning mistakes rarely remain small. Minor coordination issues can evolve into scheduling delays, increased costs, or compromised quality. Because of this, Bradford repeatedly emphasizes preparation over reaction. There is an important distinction here. Preparation is not simply about avoiding mistakes. It creates flexibility. Teams that begin with organized plans can adapt when unexpected obstacles arise because they have already established strong foundations. Those operating without preparation often spend their energy responding to preventable problems rather than solving unavoidable ones. Florida's construction environment amplifies this lesson. Rapid growth throughout Tampa has increased demand while introducing additional complexity. Expanding communities, evolving regulations, labor competition, and severe weather conditions require professionals to think beyond standard construction practices. Heat, heavy rainfall, and hurricane risks influence planning from the earliest stages. Bradford argues that understanding local conditions is not an optional advantage, but a necessary responsibility. Adaptability, therefore, becomes another leadership discipline. Strong leaders remain calm because they expect uncertainty instead of being surprised by it. Rather than resisting change, they prepare systems capable of absorbing it. This mindset allows projects to continue moving even when circumstances evolve. Technology presents another example of thoughtful adaptation. Although construction remains a hands-on profession, Bradford recognizes that digital tools improve communication, documentation, estimating, and project coordination. Yet his perspective avoids treating technology as a replacement for relationships. Instead, it becomes a tool that strengthens transparency and improves collaboration while preserving the personal accountability clients expect. That balance between innovation and fundamentals appears repeatedly throughout his career. He speaks about continuous improvement without abandoning timeless principles. New software may improve scheduling. Better materials may enhance durability. Digital communication may increase efficiency. But integrity, accountability, preparation, and honest relationships remain the foundation beneath every advancement. Perhaps one of Bradford's most revealing observations came when asked what business superpower he would choose. Rather than unlimited capital, perfect forecasting, or extraordinary intelligence, he imagined the ability to instantly recognize untapped potential within people. It is a revealing answer because it reflects how he views organizations. Buildings may define the industry, but people ultimately determine its quality. Identifying future leaders, placing individuals where they can thrive, and helping them grow creates long-term value far beyond any individual project. That perspective also explains his advice to newcomers entering construction. Stay curious, ask questions, learn continuously, take pride in reliability, show up prepared. These recommendations sound simple because they are. Yet careers are often built on ordinary disciplines practiced consistently over extraordinary talent displayed occasionally. Construction offers a powerful metaphor for leadership itself. No skyscraper begins with its highest floor. Every remarkable structure depends upon work that eventually disappears beneath finished surfaces. Foundations receive little attention after completion, yet everything above depends upon their strength. Leadership works much the same way. The conversations, planning sessions, mentoring, preparation, and relationship building often remain invisible. Their impact becomes visible only when organizations continue performing effectively under pressure. Terrance Bradford's story is therefore not simply about construction. It is about recognizing that lasting success rarely begins with impressive results. It begins with dependable habits repeated long before anyone notices. Trust before transactions. Preparation before execution. Communication before assumptions. Character before reputation. Those principles build stronger businesses because they first build stronger leaders. Here's a review of what we can learn from Terrance Bradford. Number 1. Trust is not a reward for success. It is the foundation that makes success possible. Consistent communication, transparency, and accountability create relationships that endure long after individual projects are completed. Number 2. Preparation is often the difference between reacting to problems and preventing them. Careful planning and attention to detail provide the flexibility needed when unexpected challenges arise. Number 3. Organizations grow only as fast as their people. Investing in culture, communication, and leadership development creates stronger long-term performance than focusing exclusively on systems or strategy. Number 4. Adaptability should never replace core values. Industries evolve, technology advances, and markets change, but integrity, reliability, and continuous learning remain timeless competitive advantages.